starting from scratch. No dog raised, sold, or bred for any legal purposes. This is strictly for historical and educational purposes only. AB Yard Talk. Today we're going to be looking at a bull's dog. A great looking bull's dog too. Well, bull's bred dog. It's none other than Jersey Boys champion Sarge. Great looking dog. Sarge is sired by R&R Crockett, 8-time winner, who was out of Bull's Red Oak, 2-time winner, bred R&R's Pepsi. R&R Pepsi is sired by Ramses Buford, bred the R&R Apache, which is going back into the Cherokee Chief stuff. Bull's Red Oak was sired by Bull's champion Boat Action, registered merit, bred to Bull's Black Gold. Boat Action is sired by Holland's Grand Champion Cherokee Chief, bred to Bull's Dirty Mary. And Black Gold is out of Bobby Jr. and Bull's Dirty Mary, which was a Boyle Hank cross. R&R's Black Girl is sired by Bull's champion Boat Action, registered merit, bred to Bull's Black Gold. Black Gal, R&R's Black Gal, and Bull's Red Oak are litter mates. They did an inbreeding of Bull's champion Boat Action to produce Jersey Boys Sarge, which was a great looking dog, and excellent producer. The Bull's dogs are an excellent blend of Eli and Boyle. Great dogs, great cross. Stay tuned, more to come about these great American Pit Bull Terriers. This is Jersey Boys champion Sarge. More to come about these great American Pit Bull Terriers, starting from scratch.